Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Lilliput, Montego Bay, and this property we're looking at is a part of the Unico Hotel construction. You're going to see the Unico Hotel come into view in a few seconds. That's the big white building there. Massive development, over 451 luxury suites. Now that hotel at that size is going to employ about 600 workers. So what we're looking at now is the construction of 1,000 apartments for the hotel workers. Now this is a first for Jamaica to build such a large housing complex for hotel workers on the north coast. And if you look, you can see the ocean, the Caribbean Sea. This is beachfront property, prime real estate. They could have easily put up another hotel here, but they are putting up housing for the hotel workers. Now, the same company that owns the Unico brand, also owns a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And they will be building a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino to the right of where the Unico is. That project is going to start as soon as the Unico project finishes, and the Unico is on track to finish this year. So this housing development might be for the Unico and the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino workers, because it's going to be 1,000 housing units, but the Unico will employ about 600, and I'm sure some will be for the Hard Rock. So it's very windy, that's why sometimes the drone gets blown around. But we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The construction of the Unico Hotel Montego Bay includes a major housing component designed for workers who will be employed at the resort. The project is being developed by RCD Hotels in the community of Lilliput near Montego Bay. Alongside the luxury resort, developers plan to construct about 1,000 housing units for tourism workers. These homes will provide modern and affordable living spaces for employees and their families, allowing them to live closer to their workplaces. The housing community will include proper roads, utilities, and residential amenities, creating a planned neighborhood rather than temporary accommodations. The hotel itself will feature around 451 guest rooms and is expected to generate hundreds of permanent jobs once completed. By including worker housing, the development addresses one of the major challenges in Jamaica's tourism industry, ensuring that hotel employees have access to quality housing near major resort areas. Overall, the housing project connected to the Unico represents a new model for tourism development in Jamaica, where large hotel investments also contribute to building sustainable communities for the people who work in the industry. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.